Primary market rush continues on Dalal Street, and the new kid on the block that is listed today, PN Gadgil Jewelers, that saw a very strong listing as well today. 73% premium to its issue price, still trading with gains of around 67% from those levels. Mangalam is now joining in to tell us more about the company. Mangalam.
Well, indeed, another day, another stellar listing, and this one belongs to PN Gadgil. Was offered at around 480 rupees, listed at a 73% premium to that, still holding above those levels itself. And it was a bumper listing which was expected already. I'll tell you 4 reasons why. The most important reason was there was strong demand for this issue. Overall subscription was close to 59 times, led by QIBs, which were close to around 136 times. HNIs as well asked for around 59 times the offer that was made itself. And from the time the IPO was made to now, in the interim, there was a big surge in gold prices as well. So gold continues to be at record highs ahead of the FOMC outcome. That did well. What also did well was a big rally which was underway in a lot of these small jewelry companies, smaller ones in particular. TBZ, for instance, 62% higher this month. Moti Sons up 48%, PCJ up 32% as well. And finally, it was offered at around 42 times. But after this bumper listing, it's currently trading at 70 times trailing price to earnings. What's important is that the company is going forward. Growth will come by from store expansion. They expect margin improvement to come by through increased studded ratio. And in the very near future, increased gold prices would, cause a big inventory gain there, because the management did tell us that unhedged gold is at 65% of their portfolio. Even though they will reduce it to 20% over the next 6 to 8 months, this proportion will see some gains because of the rally that we've seen in gold prices itself. And during the IPO, they had told us about their long-term targets as well. 10,000 crore revenue by FY27 with double-digit margins, reaching around 60 stores, and also studded share increasing from 10% to 15%. So those are a couple of factors that we need to keep an eye out on. And over the next couple of years, they're also looking at 120 stores over the next 6 years. So those will be a bunch of growth drivers. Stellar listing, but valuations which were attractive when offered are now elevated at 70 times trading earnings.
And that's been the case for most of the IPOs which have done well, right? Thank you so much, Mangalam, for joining us with all those details. That's PN Gadgil for you, up around 67% as we speak. By the way, while we talk about